YouTube? How are you? Happy Friday. Have not did a video in a while. Had some crazy life stuff going on, but it is better now. We actually, just a little while ago, last week, my wife's grandma passed away, so we took a trip down to Moline, Illinois, and paid our last respects to her grandmother, and I met some of her family for the first time, which was kind of cool. And so yeah, that's what we did last week, and my workouts were all crazy last week. I don't even know if I honestly got one in. It just, the times were so busy. And so when we got back on Tuesday of this week, Tuesday, I think, Monday or Tuesday, I don't know, I started doing my workouts again to get consistent so I can keep gaining, working hard to get some more gains, lose some weight, tone up my muscles. And but anyways, I'm doing two programs. I'm actually doing a weightlifting program, and I'm flip-flopping it. The following day I'm doing a cardio program. And I'm doing all these programs through Beachbody On Demand, which they have a lot of programs. That's what I love about them. You can go into one, you can figure out your routines that you want to do. You can do the program itself, do it for how many days that it is, or you can do one program and add another program and just do it differently. So, but that's what I'm choosing to do. And so yeah, one day is cardio and then the other day is weights. So, but it's going good so far. I think Tuesday I started Insanity Max 30. Wednesday I did weights with Body Beast. Then I did the other, yesterday I did Insanity Max 30. And today is Body Beast day number 2. So, but anyways, I am a coach for Beachbody. And if you are looking for some amazing at-home programs and motivation and a group that will help you out, stay accountable, and just have other people in there doing workouts and just motivating each other, I have that too. I will leave some links below for you to check out. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. Please leave me comments. If you have any questions, I would love to answer them. I had one guy ask me today about why Beachbody went from all the DVDs to now we're digital. You know, like we have all the programs in an app called Beachbody On Demand. One reason was that there would be a lot of CDs for programs that are more than 30 to 60 days. Like there's 80-day obsession, and you would have lots of CDs or DVDs to do. Another one would be just 100-day morning meltdown, and no, it's just so much easier now that technology is up and coming. You can stream it just like you're streaming your Netflix, or you're streaming your Hulu, or you're streaming anything Amazon Prime. It's just like that, you know. It's streaming workouts on your smart TV, and you can do it on your tablet, your phone, your computer, whatever. And basically, you just find the workout you want to do, you put it on, and you go after it. We have calendars so you can keep track of what you're doing. We have trackers so you can keep track of the weights or how many reps you did, and so you can better yourself next time. I am a coach, so I will be here to answer questions and just help you along the way. I want to know about how you're doing and what you're doing, and I love to have people post about it in my group. And anyways, tonight I'm gonna do legs, Body Beast, and I'm not sure how long it is, but stay tuned. I'll have the workout videos. Please, don't hesitate. I would love to work with you. I'm Coach Jared Snyder. I can help lead you in a way to get you in the at-home workouts and get you on your way to losing that weight, staying consistent, working hard for your gains. But anyways, I hope that you have a great Friday night, and take care. God bless. Love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will have more videos to come. But that's a little bit about what's going on in my life right now.